Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm back with another tutorial video. In today's video I'm going to continue the part 2 video for explanation video for panda libraries in Python code, and also consider that I'm not going to teach you like a professional teacher teach you. I'm just a learner. Also, I'm just learning about machine learning, so don't expect me to answer your question, all of your question. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back. In the last time I just show you how we can download the panda library, and we can download it from pip install by using pip package, and we can import it. Also, we can also read many types of file that support that are raw and have a column, and also we can see it, what's going to have it in the file by just calling it. But if you want to only specify it how many, let's say we want to only view the first 5, we can just say dot head, and then if we run this one, okay, don't worry, it's because I'm getting error. It is because the code, this file is I don't know, but it just stopped running. I mean, if I restart it and if I run this one again, it will going to work. Okay, we're going to import panda, and as you can see here, it will going to show me the first 5 rows, and those are this file is not. I use this file for some machine learning projects. Okay, also if you want to also view the last 5 bottom of the file, you can just say I think that tail, I don't know, I think, yeah, tail. So if I'm okay, I think I spelled it wrongly. I will come back after I research something. Okay guys, before I'm just going to in the code and explain what I'm going to show you. This is what I was searching about, and this is going to be our data frame that we imported from CSV, I think, if I'm not wrong. And then after that, if you want to see the bottom of the code, the file, we can use tail and spell like this. I spelled it wrongly in the past, and also the reason I came here and to show you this is because if you are losing something, you can go to this website and you can find everything. And let's get back to our code, and let me explain you how that works. And if you want to see the bottom of the file, you can just say tail, and if I run this one, this will be the last 5 data. And also maybe if you want to see more than the 5 file, the bottom of the file, you can specify it here. by default it will be 5, but you can change it. Maybe let's say you only want to see this is the bottom one. You can just say df tail and 1, and as you can see, we're going to only show us the last one, and it also work for head. We're going to show us the first one. Okay, we can do that, but let's say we want to see only the data that have more than 1 year experience. See, this is years experience, but we only want to see the persons that have more than 1 year experience. And if you think about that, it might be hard, but you can just do that. Let me show you how can you do that. You can index this data frame by doing this, and then we only want to see more than 1 year, right? So we can just say df, okay, and then df, and then we can say the year experience. I know before I do that, I have to explain this one first, but let me explain you while I'm doing that. Okay, this will go, let me show you. If I print this one, and let me show you in another code. Okay, this will going to be only show us this column if I run this one. Okay, what? I don't know why I get this error. I think it is because it is index column, that's why. Let me just delete it and let me run this again. Okay, here as you can see here, this is the value for year experience. And if you want to just see in very proper way, we can do that like this. I think if that works, I don't know, but let's try. Maybe if this works. Yeah, it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, what I was trying to do is or maybe if I can do that work. Yep, that's what I was trying to do, to just show us in the list way, because first that doesn't show us in the table way. Okay, it's because it's only one value we are put into our to index it, so we don't need to make a table, because just only one, and we can just even see it in without a table format way. So but if I just change this into a list way, and I can also add here as you can see, I have one to index, and if I want to index other, I can also do that. Let's say we have more than 2 columns, and we want to only index let's say we have 10 columns, and we only want to index year experience and salary. And if you want to do that, we can just say do that like this, and then if I run this one, as you can see, those tools are here, but I mean these are the same as this one, but let me let me work with other types of raw data, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Let's work with world population data, and I'm going to copy path, and I'll just delete it, and we don't need this file to show here. Okay, and if I paste the path here, it will going to read the file, and we are going to play with it and know something here. Okay, and if you want to run this one in under those code, we can do that by using this one, the down arrow that have. Okay, it's because there is no salary in your column here, that's why I get error here. Okay, as you can see here, we have a many columns compared to the other one. Okay, let's say we only want to index the country, and let's say we only want to index the country and then the continent, and we can do that by just using list. But if we only want to index one column, we can just pass the name of the column here by just not using the list. But if you want to index more than 2 columns, we have to use this bracket and make a list. Okay, let's index it the country, and I will copy it and paste it in here. I'm sorry, I did not copy that, that's why. Let's paste it here. Okay, and then also let's copy this content and let's paste it here in string as well. Okay, let me show you. As you can see here, it only show us the country and the continent column, and if you want to just see something here, if you want to only see if you want to index the column, we can do that by doing this. Okay, and then also let's say we want to see the population that have more than, let's say, 1 million people, or 500 million people that have the country that have. Okay, to do that we can just do like this. Let me show you. df, inside of df we can index another df, and then we can say let's use the 2022. We are currently 2024. I think this is the old version of data, or I don't know. Okay, let me just copy it, and to index that by the number, we can use greater than or less than symbols, and we want to only see more than 500 million people that have 500 million people. So 500, 5,000, 15,000, 500, I think 3. Yeah. Okay, if I run this one, it will only going to show us the rows that have more than million numbers in 2020 population. Let's see that. Okay, I think 500 million is. Did I just do something wrong? Okay. I think I do something wrong. Okay, 5 million. What the hell? Okay, as you can see here, in the first place, not the first place, but we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Thus, this much of countries that have more than 1 2 3 1 2 3 50 million people population, and let's say 500 million people. It's only China and India, and we can just analyze the data like this, and I'll show you also the other way to do that, and I'll see you guys in the other video, and I'll explain you the other way to do that, and see you there. Goodbye.